Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a special treat for you. We're going to do another before and after lawn mowing video. It's a nice day out. The dandelions are high and we're going to mow them down today. Let's take a look at the before and give you guys a look at the lawn that we're going to be mowing today. Alright, here's a first look at what we're going to be mowing down today. See all those dandelions? We're going to hit those hard. We're going to get them all taken care of. The lawn is thick today, so we're going to get this all mowed down and looking right for summer. Alright, it's pretty warm out today, so I'm letting the camera cool down a little. We're going to empty bag number one, then we're going to try to set you guys up in the shade and finish off this front yard. Let's go ahead and empty the bag now. Alright, we got bag number one ready to be emptied. Let's go ahead and do that now. Bag number one complete. Alright, we got this camera set up in the shade here to give you guys a nice view of this last little quadrant of the front yard that we got left to do. Let's go ahead and knock this out and then we'll get beginning on the side yard. Alright, we got the front yard done. We're going to set you up and get this side yard done next. Let's do it. Alright, we got bag number two ready to be emptied. Let's go ahead and do that now. Bag two complete. All right, we're making some good progress. It's now time to tackle the backyard. We got the front yard done, we got the side yard done, and now all that's left is the backyard. So let's do this backyard and get it knocked out. All right, we're gonna empty bag number 3 here. We got a new location. We're gonna put it right here. There we go, bag number 3. All right, the final bag of the project. Here we go, final bag. All right, that's another successful before and after lawn mowing video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little job. Finished the lawn. If you like these sort of videos, there's more up on my channel. Be sure to check it out. Just search lawn mowing, you'll find them all up there. Lots of fun, great lawn mowing videos. Thanks for watching this one to the very end. If you would be so kind as to give this one a thumbs up on your way out, I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see more of these lawn mowing videos, just hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell and you'll be notified next time one of these videos drops. Thanks for watching this one to the very end. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.